Go.
Hey Alex, do you think it's time to fix this Xbox?
No, it's sexy time.
Definitely. We throw it out now?
Yes. 2 downstairs. Let's go, Brendan. Watch out, Hershey. And how does that feel? How does that make you feel? Hershey, get out of here.
Hershey, dude.
Let's get a few swings in.
It's hard to break an Xbox.
I'm pretty sure you're pulling it off.
What's that?
Here, let's bring it this way.
Hit it, Brendan. It's hammer time. I like how Brendan's doing more work than you. He's actually not. Oh, thank you, Brendan.
Hit the disk drive.
Oh, dang, man.
Yeah.
Suck it.
Yes.
Wait. I think we're doing a pretty good job.
Here's to a couple hours of working on it. Benny, watch out. F you, Mike. Woo! Sexy time.
Yes.
And that is how we fix an Xbox 360.